Today I'll show you how to add the Microsoft To Do widget in Windows 11. By the end of this video, you'll have your tasks just a glance away on the widgets board, making it quicker and easier to stay on top of your day. Let's start by opening the widgets board. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the W key together. That's Win plus W. When you do this, the widgets board should slide in from the left or appear along the side of your screen, depending on your layout. If nothing happens, make sure you're actually on your desktop or a regular app window and try pressing Win plus W again. You can also check that widgets are enabled in your taskbar settings, but assuming they are, the board should now be visible. At the top of the widgets board, you'll see a row of icons and options. Look for the plus sign, which is usually near the top right or in the header area. This plus icon is what you use to add new widgets to your board. Go ahead and click that plus button. When you click it, a panel or list of available widgets will appear. This is where Windows shows you all the widgets you can add, including things like weather, calendar, and of course Microsoft To Do. In this widgets list, you now want to find the Microsoft To Do widget. You can scroll through the list until you see it, but the easiest way is usually to use the search box if one is available. Click into the search field and type Microsoft To Do. As you type, you should see the Microsoft To Do widget appear as a result. Once you see it, click on it to add it to your widgets board. After you click it, the widget will be added and should now appear somewhere on the board itself. It might show up near the top or at the bottom, depending on how many widgets you already have. Take a moment to locate the Microsoft To Do widget on the board. If you don't see it right away, scroll up or down within the widgets board until you find it. You can usually drag widgets around to rearrange them later, but first let's make sure it stays there. To keep the Microsoft To Do widget from disappearing or being removed automatically, you'll want to pin it. Look at the top right corner of the To Do widget. You should see a small pin or thumbtack icon. This is the pin control. Click that pin icon to lock the widget into place. Once pinned, the widget will stay on your widgets board, even if you close and reopen the board or restart your computer. From now on, whenever you press Win plus W, your Microsoft To Do widget will be right there, ready to show your tasks and reminders. You can usually click inside the widget to open the full Microsoft To Do app if you need more space or want to manage your lists in detail. That's all there is to it. You've opened the widgets board, added the Microsoft To Do widget, and pinned it so it's always available on your Windows 11 desktop.